2016. Vincenzo Nibali remporte son deuxième Giro d'Italia après celui de 2013. Le Sicilien se présente donc comme le grand favori à sa propre succession lors de cette 100e édition du Tour d'Italie. Mais cette année, le plateau sur cette course est plus que relevé. Nairo Quintana, Geraint Thomas, Mikel Landa, Inur Zakarin ou encore Thibaut Pinot vont essayer de déjouer les plans du coureur de l'équipe Bahrain Merida. Ce Giro promet alors un spectacle sensationnel, avec une lutte acharnée pour le gain du maillot rose. Récit des moments forts d'un tour inoubliable. C'est une première semaine taillée pour les affamés du sprint. Ils ont un terrain de jeu idéal pour briller. Cependant, on n'est jamais à l'abri d'une surprise sur un grand tour. Et c'est ce qui va se passer lors de la première étape. Une chute intervient à 3 km de l'arrivée et va désorganiser considérablement le peloton. Un coureur totalement inconnu profite de cette situation pour briller. L'Autrichien Luca Polsberger.
On the post, 25 minutes to go. Don't celebrate too soon, my friend. Oh!
S'ensuit également la victoire d'André Greipel, le champion allemand.
Caveria's dropped it, he can't go. But go, Greipel hits the front. Magnificent.
Du phénomène colombien de l'équipe Ethics Quick Step, Fernando Gaviria. Une échappée mémorable de Jan Polanc sur les pentes de l'Etna.
Absolutely superb. One for the neutrals, one for Slovenia, and a big one for...
Mais aussi la victoire de Sylvain Dillier devant Jesper Stuyven, après une longue échappée. Les favoris se sont neutralisés lors de l'ascension de l'Etna. Le Blockhaus sera alors la rampe de lancement dans la lutte pour le classement général. Au départ de cette 9e étape, c'est le luxembourgeois Bob Jungels qui porte la tunique rose de leader. Un maillot rose qui a de grandes chances de changer d'épaule. Aux abords de l'ascension, on se replace pour pouvoir jouer les premiers rôles dans les finales de cette étape.
C'est important et tout simplement aussi pour ne pas subir ces coureurs qui sont à la rupture et qui laissent des écarts. Là, ça roule quand même très vite. Hein.
Oui, on a vu Thibaut sur la vue d'hélicoptère qui est un peu loin dans ce peloton, plutôt à l'arrière. Et il était en train de se ravitailler, de s'arroser quelque peu.
Allez, on voit les...
Oh là,
They're allowed to be there. The line remains intact. Bang, and down we go. Well, we said there was jostling going on, and Movistar were in a perfect place, but on the deck, nearly all of Team Sky, just as we were talking about it, and G's down and is staying down, I'm afraid.
Aïe, 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 pour cette équipe Sky.
L'équipe Sky est au sol. Leur leader, Geraint Thomas, semble le plus sérieusement touché. Un favori à terre. C'est le premier fait marquant de cette journée. La Movistar ne peut baisser l'allure et accélère pour faire le forcing dans l'ascension. L'autre principale carte maîtresse de l'équipe britannique, Mikel Landa, également pris dans la chute, doit laisser partir ses rivaux et dire adieu au général. Les manœuvres sont enclenchées et les premiers dégâts sont observables.
Un peu en difficulté, oui, c'est dur, il se bat Bob, mais là il est en train d'être distancé. Ah, il va perdre des grosses secondes, des grosses minutes s'il est déjà distancé à 9 km de l'arrivée.
Anacona place alors sur orbite son leader Nairo Quintana. La sélection par l'arrière s'est opérée. Les plus costauds sont à l'avant.
Nature avec...
Attention, attaque de Quintana. Allez, il va avec Pinot dans la roue.
en d'autres qui puissent se mettre les mains comme
Oh,
ça.
c'est incroyable cette image.
de Thibaut Pinot. Et bien voilà. Et immédiatement derrière, c'est Nairo Quintana qui réagit. Attention au contre. Est-ce que Nibali peut suivre? Ah là, Nibali met pas les mains au du guidon, j'ai l'impression. Hein. Et Thibaut Pinot qui insiste, il s'est tourné. Pour assurer un tempo assez élevé. Il est en train d'accélérer. Et Nibali, pour l'instant, qui est en train de céder. Ah là, cette fois-ci, on va voir. Est-ce que Nibali est capable de revenir?
Quintana's gone. He's decided to take it. This man, Quintana, well, he's been engaged apparently in all kinds.
Nairo Quintana, ça risque de faire beaucoup plus mal. Alors, vite derrière, est-ce que Nibali ou Pinot sont capables de réagir?
Le grimpeur colombien s'envole vers la victoire alors que le vainqueur sortant, lui, est à la dérive.
Attention, Nibali en difficulté dans la route Thibaut Pinot. Nibali n'arrive pas à suivre Thibaut.
Mais c'est tout simplement Thibaut Pinot qui vient de
Il
prendre
relance
l'accélération. Et il est tout simplement en train de distancer Vincenzo Nibali.
Oh là 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 là. Là, le Français s'inscrit dans les favoris là, dans les grands. Il est dans la cour des grands là. Thibaut Pinot vient de distancer Nibali.
Mais la surprise est néerlandaise, avec un Tom Dumoulin éblouissant dans cette ascension. Le roller de l'équipe Sunweb surprend tout le monde en étant en contact des tout meilleurs. Il s'affirme comme un favori de ce Giro.
Parfois, après un effort aussi intense en montagne, on perd un peu de lucidité, on peut commettre une faute. Nairo Quintana n'en a pas commise et il va tout simplement se diriger vers son premier.
Nairo Quintana is going to take the lead of this race. And frankly, he looks like a Kenyan waiting after a majestic performance.
Allez, le sprint est lancé. Il y a des bonifications, ils vont
Thibaut
sprinter.
Pinot qui va faire deuxième.
Il va prendre 6 secondes de bonification. Il n'y a pas de petit gain dans des arrivées au sommet. Il faut aller chercher bien sûr un maximum d'écart, mais aussi les secondes de bonification. 10 secondes pour Nairo Quintana, alors que Nibali va en terminer. Bokomelema a fait une bonne opération. Il fait partie, en tout cas, des favoris. On vous rappelle qu'il y en avait quand même 15, 14 qui pouvaient essayer de tirer profit et qui étaient bien placés au classement général avec des ambitions. Nibali va passer avec 1 minute de retard.
Effort and all of the training that they've done for months since the end of last season. This is what they've been focused on, and through some stupidity really, it's all been thrown out the window.
Over 5 minutes down.
Le classement de l'étape est la copie conforme du nouveau classement général. Un général qui risque une nouvelle fois d'être remanié avec un chrono qui s'annonce décisif. Et quand on parle contre-la-montre, un coureur ressort. Le néerlandais Tom Dumoulin.
Flat mark, which is the best time for Geraint Thomas, and this is going to be smashed out of the park by Tom Dumoulin. Check it out, he's got a 36-second advantage. That's on Geraint Thomas outstanding, but if you want outstanding, look no further. Tom Dumoulin takes the lead of this race. Who's going to take it back from him? What time's he going to get? It's going to be in the 53s. But I'm afraid Tom Dumoulin has wrestled control of this race. 2 minutes and 53 is the deficit.
En plus du gain de l'étape, le coureur de la Sunweb s'empare du rose, avec une avance désormais plus qu'intéressante. Mais le leader n'a pas fini de nous surprendre.
Pick it up, he's going to have a go. Now, this is a big move from this man. Can he possibly make this stick? Zakarin goes for it, starts to dig, and the alarm bells go off. Adam Yates goes in, Pozzovivo goes in as well. Nibali tries to stay with him as well, and Quintana's also going to get up to it. Principal movers here.
Oh, Malcolm Oliver in trouble.
Oh, Molliver's going backwards. They were the ones that introduced themselves to the climb. First of all, they were busy on the approach. It was for Malcolm Oliver. He's going to see third place go. Pozzovivo goes. The little guy with a big heart. He's off. Now he's no great threat overall. This could be it. Huge move by the little man. Quintana's coming over to him. Is it going to be all about these two? Zakarin says no. It's going to be a sweet day for me, he says. Nibali can't respond. Dumoulin goes. Dumoulin's going to pick this up. Here he is. This is about Double N saying, listen, I'm not just a time trialist, I'm a man who can go mountains as well. He goes, he punches, he's a big air block as well. He's offering out some aero, and he's dragging back in Ponzinibbio here, as well as Nibali, who's here for a free run. Zakarin likewise mid-distances. Guess who? Quintana goes for it. Red hot favourite for today. And this looks to speed.
And he goes!
He does, he goes, and Zakarin goes with him. Double N's going for this. He wants to win up a mountain. He doesn't want to just be a time trialist. He wants to be a hero. He's got a London John as well. There goes Nibali. He's gone backwards. What a day. What a moment. Now can Quintana get back on it? Come on, he says. Do a little bit of work. I can't do everything on my own.
10, 6 and 4 for the first three riders across the line. In fact,
Here we go.
Zakarin leading them in.
Zakarin picks it up, he goes round, Quintana's dropped, this is space, Zakarin's going for it, this is bonuses up for grabs, Zakarin's going off, he's going to take the stage win, but look who he's guiding in here, it's Dumoulin, king of this mountain, he's slashed everybody down with it with a blade in his hand, and he might just come through to take the day, oh he's going to, here he goes, picks it up, Dumoulin has done it, king of the mountain, king of the hills, king of the time trial.
Un Dumoulin surpuissant et solidement leader remporte sa deuxième victoire d'étape sur ce Giro. Il s'apprête donc à entamer la dernière semaine avec presque 3 minutes d'avance sur ses principaux rivaux. Mais on n'est jamais à l'abri d'un jour sans sur un grand tour. C'est l'étape reine de ce Tour d'Italie, avec comme juge de paix la célèbre ascension du Stelvio, qui promet une belle bataille entre favoris.
Oh, Dumoulin stopped, and he's going to do a bike change. He's going to do a bike change, I
Il enlève
believe.
son maillot. Que se passe-t-il?
Ah, il est malade, Tom Dumoulin.
Ouais,
Aïe, 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 aïe.
je l'avais dit qu'il se sentait pas
Il
bien.
est malade.
Dumoulin, victime de maux de ventre, voit le peloton des favoris partir, et son avance au général fondre dangereusement. Devant, Mikel Landa, devenu l'unique carte pour la Sky, tente de partir seul vers la victoire. Et derrière, la bataille est acharnée entre gladiateurs.
There has been a little bit of a wait here, but how much? And here goes Quintana. He picks it up and it's on the back of Nibali. Nibali goes and Pozzovivo stays with him as well. Zakarin's also there and just time trials himself over. Rui Costa also, sorry, beg your pardon, Trek also stays there with Bocca Mollema.
Here's Vincenzo goes again.
He goes once more and he's going to try and do this one for Italy. He's going to have to go all the way up his own counter-attack from Quintana. And Pozzovivo's also staying there as well. Pozzovivo, the little guy just behind the shark of Messina, there he is. And if he does hold on to this margin, or indeed reduces it, I think it's going to be the ride of the day. Out front, it's Landa who's going for it. There's Jan Hurt, who's staying very much in touch. Good on him. There's Kreisweig, who's part of the original breakaway here. And then the camera pans down, and you don't have to wait long until you get this quartet. It's Zakarin, Pozzovivo. We've got Nibali at the moment having a word with Quintana and saying, come on, he can do anything as part of this group. 43 now, they're starting to run on here, and Nibali's gone. He's gone, he's decided to pick it up. Now, can he eat into the gap? Quintana tries to stay with him. Sails by the camera bike here. This is Vincenzo bidding for a stage win, and Quintana's going to try and stay with him. Watch the time gap to Landa start to come down. Quintana comes up, is he going to counter-attack? Or is he just going to sit in?
Well, that's a huge attack and a huge effort from the Italian.
There's Landa. Let's have a look at the time check for you. It is about 6 seconds. In fact, it re-engages. The gap is correct right now. Landa is the hare, followed by the hounds, or maybe the shark. Here he is. He's come on round, and he's going for this. That's Quintana. He's leaving in his wake right now. Don't bet against Vincenzo Nibali today.
Vincenzo Nibali just about to make the cat, but he's pushing the limits of the grip that he has on his tyres on the road.
Yes, he's not. It seems he's unconcerned. My worry now is he's going to puncture. Here we are. He is officially with Landa. Johnny Hopser to gain the grip through the curve. What a brilliant piece of work. He doesn't want wet tyres. He wants to show a back wheel to the man he's just about to overtake, and I think he will. Straight by he goes. Vincenzo Nibali is in the lead on this day until there are 50. That's just 5-0 metres remaining. One curve coming in right now. But now, next up they've got to take a right-hander, and then it's the left. 250 metres to the line. Nibali's still there. Landa's still. Is he going to get a stage victory today? Nibali Nibali sailing in. Is there an agreement? Not quite sure. Another curve. Oh, Italy won the stage win, and they're picking it up right now. It's going to come after this curve. It's the drive for the line, and Nibali's got the timeline. Vincenzo Nibali picked it up. Nibali versus Landa. Vincenzo, he does it. Vincenzo Nibali has buried everybody out there. You give a shot and say smell of blood, and he will.
Nibali montre bien qu'il peut encore jouer la gagne sur la Corsa Rosa. Tom Dumoulin, qui paraissait indétrônable jusque-là, a lâché plus de 2 minutes à Quintana et Nibali. Le général est totalement relancé. Parenthèse à la lutte pour le maillot rose, la magnifique victoire de Pierre Rolland. Le Français lève les bras pour la première fois sur les routes italiennes. La dernière victoire française remontait à 2014 à Vinasser-Boigny. Nouvelle étape de montagne avec une arrivée à Ortisei. Dumoulin possède moins d'1 minute d'avance sur Nibali et Quintana au général. Les écarts sont resserrés, mais tout peut encore basculer.
Climb off today's stage by a long way. Here's an attack from Nairo Quintana.
Oh, he's gone. He had to do this. Nairo Quintana, he's on the wheel of Amador. Oh, Nibali goes as well. He's trying to leave Dumoulin. This is Nibali as well, saying, I've got something left in my legs. And Dumoulin's isolated. But Dumoulin's here. He's in the house.
Oh,
Unbelievable.
what a ride by Tom Dumoulin. Yet again, he just uses his time trial skills. Quintana, though.
He does. He's going to try and drift over, and Anacona is up there for him. Can't do anything. And Quintana tries to find some seconds. Come on, let me guide you, he says.
Allez, avec regardez qui va prendre peut-être l'initiative. Avec Reichenbach pour l'instant qui emmène Thibaut Pinot.
TJ did not work. What cost? I guess you've got to ask. And TJ starts to rock right now. Nibali's going. Nibali's on the full push right now. This is a counter-attack. Dumoulin knows that this one is serious, and this is the man I think he possibly fears most. Quintana's back on Dumoulin's wheel, and Nibali goes in and finds, of course, some of the stricken breakaway right now.
Oh, there is one.
Oh,
There is one.
it's Tom Dumoulin! Well, why not? Have some of this back, why don't you, he says. Oh, that was great. That was it. A bit of cheek from the big Dutchman. He goes again. He's attacking by the barriers. And he has, and Nibali can't follow. And Quintana is that picks it up as well. He sits back down. Oh, yes, have some of that. You want punches? I'll give you some, he says. Oh, look at this. Mano a mano.
Tom Dumoulin is in this group, and they're not going in.
He's going again. Oh, you know what? I can play. Look what I can do. Look at this. Look at this. Anybody got anything left? He's breaking hearts out there. This is fantastic. Quintana goes. Nibali can't respond. Pozzovivo, the other good climbing man here, also likewise. And it's Quintana that tries to bridge over to salvage something, but basically pride. And there goes Pino dragging Pozzovivo along with him. Meanwhile, out front, it's Landa versus TJ Van Garderen for the win today.
Avec Domenico Pozzovivo, les deux représentants des deux équipes françaises engagées dans ce Giro. Pozzovivo qui fait une belle course de régularité. Et regardez Pozzovivo avec ce démarrage en facteur qui est en train d'emmener simplement avec lui Thibaut Pinot. Et derrière, on n'arrive pas à suivre. Ah, ça c'est quand même assez remarquable. Est-ce qu'on va pouvoir continuer?
Derrière, on se regarde.
Pino is only 7 seconds behind. Could be a podium place on the day for them. And Zakarin thinks, well, why not me? And away he goes. Zakarin's 2 minutes and 40 down. This all hurts. Let's remind you, even...
Oh, regardez les trois premiers du classement général qui se regardent. C'est incroyable ce scénario, incroyable. On a laissé partir tout le monde. Ils se retrouvent à 3 et Thibaut Pinot est en train de faire une bonne opération. Mais en fait, tous les autres sont en train de faire une bonne opération.
Down the storm drains it is, and it's Landa that's bringing it in. 200 metres, TJ staying there as well. Behind them, they're still... Oh, they're almost into each other on the corner here. place. Who's going to nick out third place on the line? And it looks like it's going to be Pino ahead of Ponzinibbio.
Well, hats off TJ Van Garderen, hats off to Tom Dumoulin. He's defended himself incredibly well today. He crosses the line.
Le marquage des 3 premiers du général permet à Zaccarin, Pozzovivo, mais aussi Thibaut Pinot, défaillant dans le Stelvio, de revenir dans le match. 6 hommes sont désormais à la lutte pour un maillot rose. Tout est encore possible.
Rider from Team Sky has come so close on 2 occasions to winning a stage. He's got the Mountains jersey secured.
Dans la montée finale, Dumoulin est rapidement décroché du peloton. Son maillot ne tient plus qu'à un fil. Au train, il essaye de limiter les écarts. C'est l'occasion rêvée pour tous ses rivaux de lui reprendre du temps dans la perspective du chrono final, où le maillot rose excelle. Et c'est un franc-comtois qui va dynamiter la course.
Oh, Thibaut Pinot has decided to find himself some space.
Attaque de Thibaut Pinot! Attaque de Thibaut Pinot!
And Zaccarin's going as well. Zaccarin on a Zac attack. He wants to move up as well. He's thinking about a podium. Oh, Zaccarin goes and he drags Ponzinibbio with him. And Nibali manages to stop. Follow on and Quintana can't go. Quintana can't go. Quintana's going backwards. Nibali's gone. He's going to vault him potentially here with 2.4 to go. Quintana tries desperately to get on the wheel of Hurt. But Hurt is also going to take a move here.
Landa est récompensé de ses nombreuses échappées en décrochant l'étape, assurant ainsi son maillot Azzurro.
Thibaut Pinot se retourne.
Allez, Thibaut jusqu'au bout.
Allez, il se bat pour aller chercher. Alors, combien ont terminé là sur la ligne d'arrivée?
Ils sont de 3 c'est sûr.
Il n'y a pas de bonification. Thibaut Pinot se bat pour essayer de creuser. Vous allez voir qu'il va sprinter jusqu'à la ligne d'arrivée pour prendre et un peu de secondes évidemment par rapport à Ilnur Zakarin, mais surtout pour reprendre du temps par rapport à Vincenzo Nibali. Mais chaque seconde peut compter dans la perspective de l'étape de demain et surtout du contre-la-montre entre Monza et Milan le dernier jour. Un contre-la-montre où Thibaut Pinot devrait être à son avantage.
Le maillot rose, que l'on pensait en grande difficulté, va quant à lui perdre sa tunique de leader, mais garder encore ses chances de remporter le Giro avec un chrono final taillé spécialement pour lui. Les écarts sont resserrés. Quintana prend la tête, mais l'écart est encore trop faible par rapport à Dumoulin pour s'assurer la victoire finale à Milan. Demain, ce sera la dernière chance pour les grimpeurs de renverser le général.
Find himself to his own party, slam it shut behind him and say nobody else is invited. Here he goes then. This was, I think, hiding in plain view, wasn't it, this plan?
Yeah, well, it was not attacked.
Here's Dumoulin, that's the question. Ponzinibbio's in there, Dumoulin staying with it. Round Dumoulin comes Zaccarin right now. And Dumoulin's going to find a little bit of hurt. There's a gap. It's already there. There's a gap to Dumoulin. He's got to keep the tempo going. He must not lose concentration.
And here goes Zaccarin again.
Oh, Zac attack, it had to come, and Ponzinibbio goes with it, and this is a danger. They probably don't respect Ponzinibbio's time trialling abilities, but he can pull it out of the bag, and he's doing that right now. It's Hurt that's going to set off after them for a stage win. Are they going to misjudge these guys? Not a bit of it. Nibali latches onto Hurt right now, and there goes Quintana likewise. Oh, Quintana's going to get away. This is it. This is the big move. Now he's got to do this. He's got some up the road that he can bridge over to, and Quintana has to show everyone the pink jersey, and more than that, his back wheel, and he's doing exactly that. It's Nibali that's able to follow him at the moment. Maybe he has got something left in the tank, but this is Quintana going all in. There's nobody else there for him, and Nibali comes up and he goes round. Oh, Oh, phenomenal beat! Now then, are they going to form an alliance? It's an alliance, nothing. They're going into the red, both metaphorically and literally at the moment, I am sure. And there, as you can see, comes Dumoulin, and Quintana has to respond, and he goes for it.
They're all at their limit. Just look at the facial expressions of Vincenzo Nibali. Doesn't give much away, but further behind. Oh, look, the tongue wagging out of Thibaut Pinot, but he's going.
Pinot goes, he's got the tongue out, licking the invisible ice cream. It's going to be a bigger prize than that, potentially. And he goes for this. Nibali.
Dans la roue de Nairo Quintana. On sait que Thibaut Pinot avait raté la victoire l'autre jour à Bergame. Il s'en était fallu de peu. Et bien cette fois-ci, peut-être dans la roue du porteur du maillot rose. Attention avec les modifications à prendre. Attention à ce dernier virage.
Attention à Pozzovivo qui arrive derrière.
Pozzovivo qui va remonter effectivement de l'arrière, oui. Et puis Thibaut Pinot qui l'a vu. Il va prendre la roue de Pozzovivo. Pozzovivo, les deux équipes françaises.
10 second bonus here at the line. Oh,
C'est la victoire de Thibaut Pinot.
Derrière, Dumoulin ne concède qu'une dizaine de secondes. Les écarts sont limités. Ce dernier, Quintana, Nibali et Pinot vont donc devoir se départager lors de l'ultime contre-la-montre de 30 km. Ce chrono verra la première victoire chez les professionnels du coureur de la Lotto Jumbo, Jos Volendam. Il maîtrisa son sujet pour aller écrire la plus belle ligne à son palmarès dans les rues de Milan. Mais le plus important est à l'arrière. Le sort de ce Giro va se jouer maintenant.
Dumoulin, second quickest at this point. Now don't forget he's bound to be keeping something back. Thibaut Pinot. Gosh, there's the gap between himself and Dumoulin. It's 25 seconds already.
Wow, that really does go to show just how fast Tom Dumoulin is going. We'll see him stop the clock in any moment now. Thibaut Pinot, 18th place at the moment, 28 seconds down then than Van Empden. Nibali goes through the intermediate check at plus 19 seconds. Same time as Ilnur Zakarin, but 15 seconds down on Tom Dumoulin. So he's almost, in fact, he's just lost provisionally his second place to the Dutchman. That gap, look, is extending. 38 seconds now between Dumoulin and Pinot. And I don't think the Frenchman's on a good day today. Not a great time, Charles, is it?
Oh, Quintana. Well, he can say bye-bye, I believe, to Pink here. 33 seconds he's already lost. He's still leading, but I'm afraid that it's ebbing away from him right now. Here's your virtual standings. Quintana then seeds it by 2 seconds just for now. Nibali, 25 seconds in arrears, and Pinot, 53 seconds behind. Here he comes. We're waiting to welcome our champion And Tom Dumoulin, oh boy does he deserve this. And he's still powering it in. He hasn't given up at all. He may not take the final day stage. He's got one of those in the bag already. Tom Dumoulin has done it. He has secured his first Grand Tour victory. And for my mind,
qu'il était en train de remporter ce Giro. 33 minutes et 23 secondes pour Tom Dumoulin. Pas un grand chrono de la part de Thibaut.
Non, on n'a pas l'habitude de vous mentir sur la chaîne d'équipe.
everyone wants a piece of this man. Too much pressure, I think, for him early on in this race. Didn't like it, but it's not a victory, I'm afraid. Nibali comes to the line. Huge draw here. Here's Nairo Quintana, and he's starting to realise it's mine, says Tom Dumoulin. And it's credit to the way Quintana has fought that it's so close. But Dumoulin is champion. It's declared to the crowd. They roar, but the Colombian fans rise as one as well. The hero of their nation, and in the hearts solidly placed amongst many. But Quintana finishes Giro 100.
Dumoulin l'a compris. Il vient de remporter son premier grand tour. Il devance au général Quintana et Nibali. Pinot échoue au pied du podium pour une vingtaine de secondes.